What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel. This is
Alex.
And today I'm doing another episode of Skater Creator on
Play.Noice.
Play.Noice. You want to learn all about it? Learn to Play.Noice. Then stick around. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you like roller skating, or if you want to learn how to roller skate, then you should go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can get notified when I post, which is once a week at some point. And don't forget to head on over to cheerstothequeers.com because there's lots of cool stuff, accessories, roller skate accessories, and it supports the shop and supports my shop and supports this channel and makes it possible for me to bring new videos to you every week. Yay! Today, we are at a event hosted by Play.Noice, and I am here with, what are you to Play.Noice?
I would say I am the organizer of Play.Noice. Our page is Play.Noice, but spelled like the British way, so like noise. And my personal page is Alex backwards, so Xela mashup.
So today we're here to talk about Play.Noice. Can you tell me a little bit about what it is and where it started? Maybe who you do it with?
Yes, so Play.Noice is at the moment a duo team. It's me and myself and my friend Diana, who is not here, but will be here.
Right here.
Right here. Play.Noice is a community page. We kind of want to do it all. We are starting with events so far, but in the future, fundraisers, more rollouts, game of skates, competitions, and something really big that we're working towards is a movie screening of short clips, movies in the community.
Oh, okay. So it's all about community and
Yes.
bringing community together. So where did the idea for Play.Noice, where did it come from?
Play.Noice started because I started to host events for the community by myself, and it's really, really hard, honestly.
Yes.
It's really, really hard.
Yes.
So I met Diana about 3 years ago through a small rollout in Azusa with our friend Gracie. We met through a mutual friend, Gracie, and we just hit it off. So she's a very organized person.
Very helpful to have as a partner.
Very organized person, and I just have a lot of ideas. So us coming together, and I kind of started it as like a little joke, was like, hey, do you want to team up? We have the same interests.
Do you want to make an alliance with me?
Yes, come join the forces with me. And yeah, it just kind of started like that. We had a conversation. She has big ideas as well for the community. I have the experience, so us coming together, and now we're here.
What are your signs? Wait, what's your sign?
I am a Pisces.
And what's her sign?
A Virgo.
That makes so much sense.
She gets things done.
Yeah, that's how I feel, because I'm a Pisces and Chev is a Capricorn, so Chev just makes things happen.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, so I am obsessed with your mission statement. So I actually saved it. So for the people out there, their mission statement, Play.Noice. Wait, is it Play.Noice? Would you like us to call it Play.Noice, or do you want us to call it Play.Noice?
You can call it whatever you like. If you're a skater and you support your friends, sometimes you're just like, noise.
Yes.
And honestly, Play.Noice was taken, but I think it fits a little bit more of our big idea of supporting each other in the community. So we prefer noise, but Play.Noice is okay too.
Okay, perfect. So Play.Noice. Okay, a local resource for roller skating content, event, news, fundraisers, and much more. We skate on occupied Tongva land, Los Angeles, since January 2023. Community support is the only way to keep roller skating alive. We strive to be a safe, welcoming space. Let's empower our community. #Play.Noice or else. So I love that. I think that there's so many important facets to what you're doing. What do you think the most important part of that mission statement is?
I think after being in this community for so long and it giving me so much, we want to definitely give back that feeling of being united with somebody. So at the end of the day, it's for the community.
I love that. So do you just do events like in the Long Beach, LA area, or do you do bigger events?
At the moment, LA, SoCal area, but in the future, we don't know what's going to happen.
I love that. So if there's a skater out there who doesn't have access to community and like the way that you and Diana are creating this like amazing page and community, what would you recommend to skaters who kind of feel like they're alone out there?
One of the biggest things I can say is follow people that inspire you. To be honest, I was inspired by Shove hosting a rollout, and I hosted my first rollout in like a few years ago, 2019, and now we're here. So it's all about who inspires you and sticking to that and giving back to what skating has given to you.
Yeah, like you can also create meetups or rollouts wherever you're at. It's definitely something that can be scary and intimidating and a lot of work, but it also can really benefit the community. I totally agree. What are your goals for Play.Noice for this next year?
So for the next year, what we're working towards for Play.Nice is a lot of summer activities. We definitely like the theme. And we love collaborating with other people because we understand that it's really, really hard. It's just two of us, but we're very open to be like, hey, I want to do this. And we're like, okay, we'll listen to you. We'll make it work. You know, there's never a wrong like answer to opening up new doors for the community because you might have a friend of a friend. They come and, it just starts like that, feeling welcome and safe in a place.
Yeah, so how should skaters, if they want to collab or create something with Skate.Noice, how do they do it?
They can DM us on Instagram. That's where we're more active at the moment.
Yeah, and that's the main place to find out information on events and everything. Is it the Play.Nice Instagram? Awesome, very cool. How long have you been skating?
I have been skating for about maybe 5 years. Honestly, I don't remember. It feels like I've been doing it my whole life.
I love that.
Oh, 6 years
One of the
then.
first skaters I followed.
Yeah.
I think we started around the same time.
Yeah, we would talk about anxiety a lot.
Yeah, so like 6 years ago. Wow. And what's your favorite type of skating?
Trail skating, distance skating.
What are you working on your skating?
At the moment, I'm not the biggest like park skater. That's why like hosting these workshops can also like not only help me to like learn a little bit more. So I'm just trying to get away from thinking negatively about fear and getting hurt. And I'm just like a very calm person, and I see that as like very scary. So I'm just trying to take my time.
That is such a valid place to be at. Like, let's just not be terrified right now.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, one last question. What else do you do outside of Play.Nice? Because I know you do a lot.
Yeah, so other than skating being like my whole personality, that's totally
Relatable.
fine.
Relatable.
I do enjoy reading and journaling, keeping memories, just because at this age we don't like print our photos. But other than Play.Nice, I do have another community page that focuses on small businesses in the skate community. So working on continuing to support those businesses just because we have a lot of amazing curators, artists, people who make jewelry, so many things out there. And it's not only should we support each other in the community through these events, but in their businesses as well.
Yeah, and that's called Shop and Skate, and it's awesome. And if you ever see a Shop and Skate event, you should go to it. You're going to spend all your money, but it will be so worth it, I promise. All right, thank you so much for meeting with me. I'm so excited about this Legis class and so ready to learn some things.
Same. Kayla's an amazing teacher.
Yeah, we're really excited.
You'll feel more comfortable.
I keep like stopping. Like I just.
Because your shoulders are set like over there. And then if you can, like your shoulders are already there, so just
Whoa, that's scary. Okay. That was good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's okay.
Ooh. Yes. Right down.
exactly. You're looking like backwards. So you're not gonna go forward if you're looking.
I'm scared I won't land on the ledge.
You will, promise.
Okay.
Here, give me a high five and look at my elbow. Every time, try it again. Same thing with the ledge. When you look at the end, you will land on it.
Okay.
So just look forward. If
Okay.
You're still looking at the ledge, so your feet are gonna line.
Okay.
Gonna know.
Okay, yeah, because I'm definitely looking right here.
Look into your future.
Yes. So just
Okay.
look forward. And I breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out.
Nice. Ooh, okay. Yes. I love that you sent it. Nice.
Work on the shoulders and your eyes, where your eyes are going. Because it looks like you're coming and then you're looking down here. But what you should do is come and look over there.
Okay.
At least over there a little. And then when you jump, your jump looks good. You're jumping with both feet, so that's good. Just maybe try to widen a bit. And then maybe just try to shift your eyes and your shoulders. So your shoulders this way and your eyes up forward a little. Even if your shoulders can't get there, at least your eyes. And then it'll just help. Because where you look, you'll like slide to it.
Nice. Nice.
Thanks so much for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Skater Creator. Go follow Play.Noice. Go follow LilSpaceCowgirl. And keep subscribing and watching these videos and share this video so that other people can find out about Play.Noice as well. And head on over to cheersforthequeers.com because there's a lot of really cool stuff there and I don't think you want to miss out on it, and it helps support this channel. So more importantly than that, cheers to the queers. Repeat after me. I am a mother pheasant plucker.
I am a mother pleasant plucker.
I pluck mother pheasants.
I pluck mother pleasants.
I am the most pleasant mother pheasant plucker.
I am the wait, what?
I am the most pleasant mother pheasant plucker.
I am the most pleasant mother plucker.
Who has ever plucked a mother pheasant?
Who's never plucked another pheasant.
I'm so shocked you didn't mess that one up.
Me too.